Princess La La La. Hello everybody, my name is Ivona and thank you here my group name is Princess La 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 La. And my name is Ivona and today we do it with Play-doh set. That's a sweet shoppe Play-doh set. And I got already this old pack. This is here. Oh, I forgot. Here is this. I show you. Oh, you see? And this is all you can just do. And today we do it with this. I got to some of my own Play-dohs with me. So this 4 Play-dohs is not included. This and this and this is not included with that. Okay, just this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Play-dohs. This Play-doh is half with the set. This Play-doh, this Play-doh, set included. And if everything was included, and today we do it banana split. With this set. Banana split right here. Banana split and this ice cream cone. First I started with ice cream cone. First I didn't get ball of Play-doh. I think I get strawberry. I do strawberry. This is not included red Play-doh inside. I just got it my own. First got it in the same shop. In I don't remember what it is. I'll tell you for a minute. When it were on. It's a free on. And I don't know what it is off. Shop, I don't remember. And I do it this ice cream cone. I get my ice cream cone. I do it some of Play-doh. This color is not included, I tell you. And I do this in ball. And I put this in my ice cream sundae. Then I get this as well not included. For I mix in red and white, which is not included inside. So you need to buy it. Okay, I need to roll out this color. Out. Wait, my playlist. Okay, you need to roll out this color. And I found it. Tell you. I can finish. I tell you. This is my ice cream, and I found it finished. I tell you. Okay, I finished. And you need to put this all around this ice cream. You just so smash this. This is not included. You need to buy it as well. It's like that for big. You see, a small and the big. You can buy it like that. It says no. This is in Tesco, I think. And then I got something. So just to take the lines around this color of this. Really good like that. You see. And so the song, and like that you need to do. Then get some other Play-doh. I get white for this is like white. You get some of white of your color, and then you roll in a ball. Then you smooth it, smash, and then you put it on your feathers, and a minute is finished. Then this is included with some like this. This too is included with some. You need to get some of color, you got some in your sand, you got it of water or by yourself, and then you get it just to get some green. Green is so good. And I do this away, okay? Right. Get some color. You get some green color, and I bring my hat. Then you can see what I do. Here is on the floor. Wait, I see some. Yeah, over here. There is cherry. Yeah, cherry. You get some green, and then is the stick like that green. It's gonna be green stick like leaf. Then you get other color. I get purple. Then that's color. And to put this green, just put it on top like that here. And this is put like over here. Like I'm the cherry. I got a purple cherry, I do it. And here is my this leaf thing. And this is all cherry, okay? And here you do it with what you call, and here you do it green. Yeah? This you need to put over here, like in my face. And you put out. And you get green color in green box. And purple in the purple box. This is what you need. Then you close your Play-doh. Okay. Then you put. I go to my ice cream. This put on here. Then you get some of color. I don't know. I think I get this too as well color. And here is like, look at it's like the sweet. I'll show you on the box. This is the sweet. Yeah. And you get it. It's on this. It's on the side. Mold over here. Right here. I don't know if you see. Then you get some Play-doh and just throw it out. And then you put this color around. Not like that. It's like that. 2 lines of your color. And the rest you get another color. And then you smooth it big like that. And then smooth it on this. Then you put this like that. And look, it's very nice. Then you put purple accents that you don't give it. Like you don't watch this. Get down below. What is this? Tell me. And then put it on your ice cream. I put it behind my cherry. The way put, but I put it behind my cherry. Behind my cherry. You see, behind my cherry. Yummy. And then, you don't need to do it. I do something over here. I think I get this flower. I get to buy this. This included. This with this hat is, and this is with this. Okay, I do this pig for you. For this is to eat it or to get some Play-doh. Or for this is to do it in a small circle. I give it. I don't remember for this. And you look at this. That is your color. I don't need this, but sometimes I need it if I don't need it. And then you get this, this, and then you smush it into mold. Smush. And you pull out. Like this go away for so get to this. See on this mold. You get this accent and then you put it on this star. And then you see what is done. And I saw in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, let's do it. And 5 minutes, come back. Okay, I got it. And I put this everywhere I want. And this is true now. Bye.